Email marketing can be straightforward and effective with a few key steps. 1. Choose an email service provider, ESP. Platforms like MailChimp, Constant Contact, or ConvertKit offer user-friendly interfaces for creating and managing email campaigns. 2. Build your subscriber list. Encourage visitors on your website to sign up for newsletters or updates. Offer incentives like free resources, discounts, or exclusive content to entice sign-ups. 3. Create engaging content. Craft concise, engaging, and relevant content. Use catchy subject lines to encourage recipients to open your emails. 4. Design templates. ESPs often provide customizable templates for easy email design. Keep your design simple, visually appealing, and mobile responsive. 5. Personalization. Address recipients by name, segment your audience for targeted content, and consider sending personalized recommendations or offers based on their behavior. 6. Call to action, CTA. Include clear CTAs that direct recipients to take action, whether it's to visit your website, make a purchase, or engage in some way. Remember, consistency is key. Regular, valuable, and non-intrusive emails can build trust and keep your audience engaged.